Hey, one of the main reasons why new construction shingles blow off is because the installer leaves on the plastic wrapper on the adhesion where they're not supposed to install the shingle at all. So like something like this shingle was not supposed to be installed. This shingle still has the wrapper adhesive stuck to it. This shingle should have been thrown in the trash and not installed. What happens is when you leave this on, the top shingle can't adhere. This is a good example right here. Still has the wrapper at the adhesion. So now this shingle can't bond to the bottom shingle. When strong winds come through, it blows them right off. It's a common deal happening with new construction. This shingle is not supposed to be installed at all. Then you get loose shingles just like this. You get strong winds and they'll blow, a section or entire sections off. You got another one up here. Same deal happening. The shingle wrapper is left on behind. This shingle should not have been installed. So then you get other shingles that get the seal broken. Hey, let me know what you think in the comments. If you're in San Antonio, you got blown shingles off of your new construction job. If it's like a 5-year-old house, it's pretty common. These are about 5 years old or less, some newer, some older. Hey, hope you learned something. Like always, if you have something to say, drop a comment below. We'll catch you on the next one. Let's rock and roll.